tonight. So I have seen a lot of young people, young adults, young parents who have lost respect for their parents. Either they deny that they are part of the family. So tonight, I would like to encourage and admonish all brave members, young adults, married adults, to please include in your mission, in your seminars, in your outreach program, in teaching the fourth commandment of God. I'm sure you know the fourth commandment of God. Honor thy father and thy mother.
Yeah.
As we all know, this is the only commandment with a promise of a long life, and that all may go well for you. And so, my friends, itong gabing ito, I would not have wasted my time going here if you will make it a part of your mission seminar to teach this. Because I have seen a lot of children who refuse to take care of their parents. They said they have no time. Yung kami mga nag-aalaga sa inyo, karga-karga namin kayo, maglalaro, mamamasyal, dala-dala, may dalang pushcart, karga-karga sa likod. Kung maaari lang, kung saan yung lakad namin, kasama kayo, kahit na hirap kami magdala. But at this time, pagkatapos, when you reach your age, naging successful, naging matured, supposed to be, you don't, or you have lost respect for your father and your mother. Sana itong gabi ito, merong mapuksan ang puso sa mga narito ngayong gabi. To look back, pay back. It's payback time. Payback time. If you really want to be successful, reach out to your father and your mother. When was the last time you visited your parents?